I hope you can hear me because of the wind. Today on a 50 Pound Brain, we are working on a beautiful classic car. We're doing a little welding and getting it prepped for seat mounts. But let's get a tour of this vehicle before we get started. This is our proud owner, Mike, and just give us a little bit of
background.
Yeah.
So I've got a Mach 1 sitting here. Started with a 1966 Fastback, high school and college, sold it. Always wanted to get another Fastback, finally got another Fastback. I kind of went all out. I'm not a body person, so I picked up something with nice body work and paint. 347 stroker, runs great. Interior, everything was really nice. Whoever worked on the car did a great job. The texture's still on the doors, for instance. There are just so many details like that. Was done well. So
yeah, let's look at the motor.
Needed little things, needed an alternator. Been just playing around with all the little stuff to get it running real good. And got into the interior to lower the seats because I got a tall upper body and it has the extended seat rails. And then found a little surface rust. So we're gonna clean up the surface rust. Pulled out the seat platforms and putting in the 6970 seat platforms that are about an inch lower and they fit real well. Weld those in after I redo the surface here on the floors.
Yeah, so today we're just plugging holes with the welder.
6970 fit well and they're an inch lower than the originals.
Yeah, so these will eventually go in. Let's go set it in place. Is this the driver or passenger?
That might be the driver. Let me see.
Looks like.
You know what? It's the other way.
Oh. So that's eventually what will be happening, but not today. We're just getting everything prepped to get this ready to put that in and shore up the interior of the car so it can live another
100 years.
What? Yeah, 100 years. Longer than the owner.
Oh, yeah.
This is the children's inheritance.
Yeah, this will pass on to the kids. They love it.
As long as they still make gasoline. Hopefully they don't make it into some kind of electric car like the rest of this fleet. But, all right. Let's get to work. All right, so what we're gonna do is weld up all these holes that are a result of pulling out the old seat mount. And then, yeah, he'll go back and grind this all down, get it all POR 15'd or whatever, end up doing on it, and then we'll come back and put the new lower seat mounts in. So is that all the holes on this side?
So you got that one. That looks nice. Oh, these little ones.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Okay. Oh, that's right. You said that every time you put the console in, you had to punch
Yeah,
new
somebody's
holes.
punched new holes every time, and I understand why, of course.
Yeah. Okay.
So
This was just to see that. All right. Just taking a break while he cleans up a couple more holes that so we can weld them up. What a beautiful K-code car, which I guess means something to Mustang people. I don't know. Galaxy's R code is the most desirable. Yeah, so that digit right there is the money. A real K car. K-code car, sorry, not a K car. That's a totally different ugly animal. All right, we're done welding for today. He sounds very nice.
that's a cold start.
Got another holes plugged for right now. Need to be ground down. And that's the Holly Sniper?
Yeah,
Sniper 2. Nice.
How am I going to drive with that?
What a beautiful car. Harbor Freight true bucket seat. All right, McGilla Gorilla.
We'll see how this works.
That'll do, donkey, that'll do. You were gonna drive this to my house on that bucket.
No.
No.
I would have cut it in half.
Oh, that's true. Made it, yeah.
Yeah.
Good time was had by all.
Yeah, thank you, Mr. 50-pound brain. We love it. We work together.
Yeah. All right. Well, thanks for watching.